Ever wondered how maps scale down huge areas into tiny representations? Today, we'll learn how to use scale factors to find the real world size of a farm. Welcome to your channel. I'm Anil Kumar and I help students master math for real world applications. Today, we are diving into scale factors and map calculations. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to use scale factors to determine real world distances, how to convert map measurements into actual land areas, how to express area in hectares using simple math. Like and subscribe, and let's crack these numbers together. The question before us is, on a map of scale 1 centimeter to 500 meter, the area of a farm is 3 centimeters square. What is the actual area in hectares? You're also given that 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. Very interesting question for us. Remember, we are talking about two things. One is the scale, which is linear, 1 centimeter, and that gives you 500 meters. On the other side, we have area, which is 3 centimeters square. And we need to find that actually how much should it be? You've understood the question, right? So the scale factor is 500. Some students just might multiply 3 by 500 to get the answer, especially if this is a problem for an assessment test as an SAT, right? Don't be in a rush. Let's be very careful about it. So, what I'm going to do here is to visualize the situation. We are talking about area of 3 centimeters square. You get the whole idea, right? So, think like this, that this is a portion marked. How do you get area of 3 centimeters square? Is when one side is 1 centimeter, right? And the other is 3 centimeters. So, you are multiplying 3 centimeters by 1 centimeter. You get the whole idea. So 1 centimeter you know is 500 meters. How about 3 centimeters? 3 centimeters will be 3 times 500, correct? Which gives you 1500 meters in real life. So now you understand. We have to multiply. So when you talk about area, so it is strictly speaking 3 centimeter by 1 centimeter. You get the whole idea. So that means you have to multiply 1500 meters by 500 meters. So this one which we wrote earlier is on the map, correct? This is actual. Does make sense to you, correct? So that's how it has to be done. And when you multiply, you get what? Four zeros, right? One, two, three, four. 5 times 5, 25. And 2 carry forward. So you get 75 four zeros. And that unit is in meter square. You understand how step by step we are trying to evolve the solution. But what we need is area in hectares. And the scale factor for hectares is 10,000 meters square. So that's a conversion unit, right? So you need to divide this by 10,000 to get hectares, correct? So this is in meter square. So as you know, How do we do it? We know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So that becomes the conversion, you see. And now what you get is that meter square cancels with meter square, and these four zeros cancel with the four zeros you have. And that gives you the final answer, which is 75 hectares. So, hectares is a normal unit for measuring farm areas, and you also learn that it is 10,000 meters square. So, with that, I hope the solution is absolutely clear. If any part of it is not clear to you or doubtful, feel free to write in the comments. I regularly check my videos and respond to them almost the same day. So now, as you see, this is a real life situation. Let's explore and figure out where else it could be used. How can it be used, right? So here are a few more scenarios which will use this concept of scale factor in maps. Scale factors are used in urban planning, cartography, and land surveying. Examples are architects and engineers use scale models to design cities and roads. Makes sense. Farmers calculate the area size of their land using survey maps, just as we did. So, the takeaway from all this is that understanding scale factors allow you to navigate, plan, and measure distances accurately. We'll have many examples related to this in our playlist. The link has been provided. Feel free to explore and learn more. I hope it makes sense, right? Now, here is a question for you. It's always good to try the learnings, right? So, we have understood that the scale factors allow you to navigate, plan, and measure distances accurately. The question for you is, what if the farm's area on the map was 5 centimeters square instead of 3, right? Instead of 3. How many hectares would the farm be in reality? Drop your answer in the comments. As I told you, we respond the same day. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.